How to stop people from seeing that I viewed their profile on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can stop people from seeing that I viewed their profile on TikTok. So, if you didn't already know, there is a new feature on TikTok called profile views. So let me show you what I mean. I'll first of all open TikTok and then go to profile views in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, if you tap on these two footstep icons right over here, you will see the option profile views. Now, in this page, you will see the list of people who have viewed your profile on TikTok. So, to turn this feature on, simply tap on this settings icon and then toggle this bar. Now, the green sign means that this feature is turned on and any people who view my profile, they will show up over here and I will be able to see. And if you have this feature turned on, it also means that if you see or view other people's profile, you will also show up on their list. So what you can do to avoid that is simply tap on the settings option and then untoggle profile view history. Now once you've disabled this feature, you won't be able to see who viewed your profile on TikTok, but that also means that other people won't be able to see that you have viewed their profile on TikTok. So that is basically how you stop people from seeing that I viewed their profile on TikTok. Now you can go and view other people's TikTok and don't worry, because they won't be able to see that you have viewed their profile because you have disabled profile views altogether. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.